to Kierxn Clan, where we make gaming and normal video on the same channel. And today we got people back. And Bailey is gonna join us.
Oh, you're right.
Getting a bit.
Yeah, so he's a bit tired, so it will take him a bit of time just to.
Okay, anyway, today's video we are gonna do guess the YouTuber, food, animal, and sinner.
Why?
Cameron is gonna be the host for the rest of the video.
Would you like to tell your rules?
Basically, this is about the picture's going to be zoom in every picture. So if you got the picture right, you get a point.
He's saying that each category we have, we're going to add all the points up together, so the person who has the most points wins.
By picture each,
Yeah.
we get started.
Yeah.
Animal's going to be first.
Ooh, okay.
We're gonna put the picture right here. Ah! Oh God, really?
If you know this, put your answers down.
No.
Oh no.
Bailey, is that right? Yeah, good.
Wait,
That can't be a cow.
You can't see it, can you?
We got llama.
Llama.
Cow. I'm going to be wrong.
It's a llama.
Yeah! Take a dog with a really big
You can get a
eye.
baby.
By the way, guys, you might hear a bit of noise from Bailey.
He's a bit snory.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, Bailey like that.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the next one. Oh! So you got ow, 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 bird.
Yeah.
It's ow. About an hour.
So me, Harry. So we got 3 more. Easy.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, I'm ready.
I don't know how to spell it.
Yeah, me too.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
So what you got?
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Yeah, dolphin. Dolphin.
Dolphin, dolphin. Okay, yep, it's dolphin. I thought you were going to get shark or something. Are you ready for next one?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready to go on.
Oh! I know this one.
It's just
Doesn't matter about the spelling. You can just...
Bangoo. Bangoo.
I can't spell it.
Bangoo.
So you got sloth,
the one I'm trying to say.
bamboo.
Well, yeah, too late then.
Sloth
baboon.
is
Sloth.
Sloth.
Oh. Bangoo.
Yeah, this is the last one.
I'm going on an adventure, by the way, guys.
Sparkly here. Picture animal.
Oh!
Oh.
It can be anything. I was going to say.
What are you going to guess?
And crocodile.
Crocodile.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to
So you
spell.
got crocodile, dragon,
Dragon snake.
dragon snake, crocodile, crocodile. It is crocodile.
Woo!
I just felt like you're going to guess
Oh, that's
snake.
what I mean. That's.
Food.
Oh wow.
Yum.
Okay,
Yeah,
here's
yeah.
your
Wait,
best.
wait. The first person in the lead so far is Daisy.
Wait, you got all right.
Ah. Okay.
Okay, here's your first picture.
Oh!
Oh
Cabbage.
no.
You gonna guess it?
Okay.
Okay,
Why-
what you
why-
got?
why did I say
Buzz
sprouts?
sprouts,
Spelled
sprouts, buzz sprouts. Oh my god, sprouts. I'm gonna count the sprouts as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You got a point.
Baby, I got it right. Thank you, darling.
Wait, should I? Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow, that was a
I think.
That's a quick one.
Baby, can you say hello? Well, let's just see.
Got Kieran?
Coconut.
Coconut, coconut,
Coconut.
coconut,
A coconut.
Where did it go? Oh.
coconut.
Coconut.
It is coconut. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I think it's this or something else.
Okay.
That's what I mean.
What's yours? Cheeseburger,
Oh,
egg roll,
Pancakes.
pancakes.
It's
I
definitely a
put egg.
cheeseburger.
Put egg.
It's definitely a cheeseburger. Yeah.
Okay, here's the next one.
Wait, is this last round? No, 2 more.
2 more.
Sorry.
Calm down.
yeah.
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. It's chicken nuggets. I thought you were gonna get fish.
That's
The back
what I
and
was gonna
sausages
go.
back to-
I thought. Yes.
I can't spell it.
Oh, shoot.
Sushi. Sushi.
Sushi.
You know, Daisy, you know that's raw.
Slushy.
Sushi. Sushi.
Oh.
There's no E.
Sushi. There's no E.
Those are not.
It's sushi. Ugh.
I love
It's gonna be.
Sin it's next.
What?
Okay, here's the. Yours.
Space one.
Finish.
Billie Eilish.
So it is.
I
Billy!
love you.
I can't spell it.
That had to be.
Easy.
Don't worry about
Easy.
spelling. Okay.
Oh, there it is. There it is. It's still there.
On a go.
Don't worry. Don't worry about that.
Okay. Undergrande. Everyone got that? Is
How are you?
this person's in the group? You can name that person or group name.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I know.
I'm just gonna put the group down already because I literally put the group down before you even put it up.
Everyone got it?
Nick.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
No.
You don't?
Oh, no,
Okay. No
no,
answer.
Daisy.
One Direction. Done,
Nick.
bro. Nick. Done.
Jonas
Yeah.
Brothers.
Yeah.
Oh.
Chill. Oh, I forgot.
Done.
I'm wrong. Oh,
I can't see it.
my god.
Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ed Sheeran. I can't spell
Ed Sheeran.
Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran.
Edward, that's not right.
Jeez. Sorry.
need-
guys.
It's Ed
actually-
Sheeran. Yeah. Last one.
Yay!
I'm scared.
Go.
Wait, has everyone got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Taylor Swift. Yeah, okay. Our last round is YouTuber.
I know it.
Oh, well, I didn't even show it.
Oh.
Oh.
If one of theirs.
James Child.
Hey, sister.
Hey,
sisters.
Yep, it's
Hey, sisters.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh.
Oh.
I know I'm
Yeah.
wrong.
I can't see her. Can you see?
Brent Referia.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean,
No.
you don't? Nope.
I put Ethan Dolan.
No.
Don't-
Brent Referia. Referia.
No.
I don't know how you say his last name, but Brent.
You've done it wrong.
Woohoo!
Okay, are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
I know this person.
Has everyone got an answer?
Yeah.
Start with Kieran.
PewDiePie.
PewDiePie. Has the PewDiePie.
I'll show you what Casey Baker.
Yep. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
No.
I hope you all get this.
Oh, he's
Okay, has everyone got an answer? Just dab. Where'd you go? Just dab. Yeah, sorry.
You like the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right.
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh,
Don't
okay.
you dare!
Got it.
Okay, has everyone got the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
What you got? No. Nini Ponds.
I put.
No one.
It's Nini Ponds.
I hate
Really?
her.
Oh, she's awful. Right, so now that's it, and we will be back when we get the results.
Then-
You're to second place, or you're 3,
We all second.
or 15.
Oh,
And you got 17. So you're the winner.
my age.
Thank you guys so much for
Come
watching. Check out my social media either side and check all the other ones down in the description below. This video you need to watch, definitely need to watch to try to out my channel. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
I'm dead.